Hello guys, hope you doing well. In this video, I will show the process of ChatGPT subscription. I want to subscribe my account for 1 month ChatGPT Plus. So I have entered the email address for sign up, and I will get code on my email. So we need to enter the code there. Okay. We need to pass this security check, and after that, verification is successful. Okay. So we need to enter password here. Enter the password. Create your strong password for this, and after that we need to click on continue. So you will see there, this is code option. So I have received the code on my email, so we need to enter it there. Okay. Enter the full name. Enter all details like that, date of birth, and check the agreement. Okay. If you need ChatGPT Plus accounts, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. I will provide you in comment my WhatsApp number. So I will claim the offer on my this account. You can see here, this is plus ChatGPT Plus. So I will claim this offer on my this account, and we can use this account for 1 month and for 35 days or more. So surely this will work for 1 month, and it can survive up to 1 month. Okay. So we need to enter the card details here. We need to enter the address details here. Okay. I will fill the address details. Fill all the details. Okay, so we need to enter the details, address details there. Same, copy the address details, name, and all details. Okay, enter the name. So I have entered the card details here, and it's in processing, payment in processing. If you need accounts, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. The price is very low. Okay, its official price is $20 per month, but I will provide you this account in low prices. If you need ChatGPT Plus 1 month, and if you need Gemini Pro, if you need CapCut Pro, if you need CapCut for 3 months, so these tools also available. If you need Super Group for 1 month for 7 days, that is also available. You can see there we have activated the ChatGPT Plus for 1 month, and these are the versions. You can see 5.3, 5.4 instant, and you can see there is a plus plan, and we have activated that 100% of till 11 April 2026. So that's the thing we have got ChatGPT Plus for 1 month, and you can see there is a plus plan is activated. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.